part 2. Some miscellaneous questions. In this section, we are going to discuss some miscellaneous question. Question number 1. If a point other than origin for which abscissa is equals to ordinate, then in which quadrant does the point lie? In figure, we observe OX and OY represent first quadrant in which x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. So in this quadrant we get 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, so many points which ordinates and abscissa both are equal, as you observe in figure P, which abscissa and ordinate both are equals to 3, 3. But in second quadrant, here we observe OX dash is negative, OY is positive. So there is no point in this quadrant where abscissa equals to ordinate. Now we discuss third quadrant in which OX dash negative, OY dash negative. So in this quadrant we also get minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, as you observe point Q, which abscissa and ordinate both are equals to minus 3, minus 3. So in quadrant third we also get so many points where ordinate and abscissa both are equal. But in fourth quadrant, OX is positive, OY dash is negative. So there is no point where X coordinate and Y coordinate, that is abscissa equals to ordinate. So in first and third quadrant, there is only two quadrant where abscissa and ordinates are maybe equal. Now we are going to discuss question number 2. Plot the points O00, A30, V34, C04 on a given graph paper. Join OA, AB, VC, OC so that AOAVC is a rectangle. In figure, here x dash x and y dash y are two perpendicular axes. So angle AOC is 90 degree. As you observe, point P on x-axis, point A on x-axis whose coordinate 30, V, the coordinate of B is 34, and C on y-axis whose coordinate is 0, 4. Here OA equals to 3 units and VC equals to 3 units. OC equals to AB, both are equals to 4 unit, as in figure. Angle AOC 90 degree, OA equals to BC equals to 3 unit, OC equals to AB equals to 4 unit. So in quadrant OABC we observe opposite sides are equal and one of its angle is 90 degree. So OABC is a rectangle. Points A06, O00 and B60 on a graph paper. Find the area of triangle AOB. In figure, AOB is right angle. As you observe, x dash x and y dash y are two perpendicular lines. Therefore angle AOB 90 degree. Here coordinate of point B 60 and coordinate of point A 06. Now by joining A and B we get triangle AOB. Here OB equals to 6, OA equals to also 6, and angle AOB equals to 90 degree. So area of triangle AOB equals to 1 by 2 AO into OB, that is 1 by 2 6 into 6 36 by 2 18 square units. Area of triangle AOB is right angle triangle and its area 18 square units. Now the next question, the three vertices of triangle ABC are A equals to 1 4, B equals to minus 2 2, C equals to 3 2. Plot these points on a graph paper. Find area of triangle ABC. As in figure, x dash x, y dash y are two perpendicular lines. Here we represent point C, coordinate 3 2, point B minus 2 2 and A 1 4. In figure, ABC is a triangle. Its base is BC and its length equals to 6 unit equals to 5 unit. As you observe in figure, ABC is a triangle. Base BC equals to 5 units and altitude AM equals to 2 units. Therefore, area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 base into altitude, 1 by 2 BC into AM, 1 by 2 5 into 2, 2 and 2 cancel. Finally, we get its area of 5 square unit. 5 square unit.